Today I'm going to show you how to use offline folders in Outlook. So what we're going to do here first is go over to the left hand side, and we are using Microsoft Classic. We're going to click on File and we're going to look for Account Settings. Here you're going to look for Account Settings again, and what you're going to do here is on this ribbon you will see Data Files. Open this up and click on Add. Now essentially what's going to happen here is it's going to ask you to find a location to store your offline files. I'm going to go ahead and just look in Downloads and I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see that there is a new file or a new location that has been added. Go ahead and close this. Now on the left hand side I'm going to just open this up over here, and you will see this has now appeared, and this is something that was not here previously. Go ahead and open this up. You'll now see the My Outlook data file. Now, for example, let's say that we open our inbox and we want to take this mail over here. We're going to right click it and we are going to come down and we are going to move it about. So we can either say move, and we can say move to other folder. We can also copy it to other folder. And then we can also click on always move messages in this conversation. So it'll stick directly in this conversation. What we want to do is just click on other folders. So this will move it to another folder. Now, if you see this little box pop up, you'll see right at the bottom the My Outlook data file. Go ahead, select it and click on OK. Now, if you close this, you will see that this has been moved this way. And if you go to your File Explorer, you will be able to find that file where you chose your save location.